Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about starting a career as data analyst, or if you're already working as one and wondering how to grow and find the right opportunities, this video is for you. I'm going to cover the full data analyst career path, from junior roles all the way to leadership positions, and importantly, how to search and apply for jobs at each stage. Let's get started. First, what exactly does a data analyst do every day? Imagine a company that sells products online. Every time someone clicks, buys, or returns a product, data is generated. Your job is to make sense of that data, clean it up, analyze trends, and create reports or dashboards that help the businesses make smarter decisions. You might be answering questions like which products are hot sellers, why did sales dip last month, or how can we improve our marketing campaigns. To do this, you will use tools like Excel, SQL, Python, and visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI. Let's take a look at junior data analyst roles, 0 to 2 years of experience. So as junior data analyst, you are just starting out. You will mainly clean data, create simple reports, and assist senior analysts. Your key tools here will be Excel and basic SQL. Here are some job search tips. Search for job titles like junior data analyst, entry level data analyst, or reporting analyst. Look for job descriptions that mention data cleaning, basic SQL queries, Excel proficiency, and creating reports or dashboards. Prioritize companies offering mentorship or training programs. Small or medium companies, startups, or large firms with established teams are all good places to start. Here's some application advice. Highlight internships, courseworks, or projects involving Excel and SQL. Emphasize your eagerness to learn and ability to follow instructions carefully. Next, mid-level data analyst, 2 to 5 years. So after a couple of years, you will want to level up to a full data analyst role. You'll get more independence and deeper into analysis. Working with Python and R, writing complex SQL queries, and performing A/B testing or predictive modeling. So here are some job search tips. Look for titles like data analyst, product analyst, or marketing analyst. Job description should mention skills such as data modeling, statistical analysis, creating dashboards, and cross-team collaboration. Look for roles where you are expected to deliver insights that influence business decisions. Here's some application advice. Showcase your experience in complex SQL, scripting, and examples of how your insights drove impact. Mention your ability to communicate technical info to business stakeholders. Next, senior data analyst or specialist, 5 to 8 years. So at this stage, you're often the analytics expert. You might lead projects, mentor juniors, or specialize in areas like machine learning or big data platforms. Here are some job search tips. Target roles named senior data analyst, lead analyst, or business intelligence analyst. Look for responsibilities involving advanced analytics, project leadership, mentoring, and stakeholder management. You might see requirements for experience with machine learning tools or big data technologies. Here's some application advice. Highlight leadership roles, projects you have led, and technical expertise beyond basic analysis. Talk about mentoring or guiding junior team members. Now let's take a look at leadership roles, that is 8 plus years of experience. So if you're aiming for analytics management or director roles, your focus will shift to leadership, strategy, and influencing company-wide decisions. So here are some job search tips. Search for titles like analytics manager, director of analytics, head of data, or chief data officer. Job description often requires team management, data strategy development, budgeting, and executive communication skills. Here is some application advice. Emphasize your leadership experience, strategic initiatives you have driven, and your ability to align analytics with business goals. So to move smoothly through these levels, focus on building these skills. For entry level, focus on Excel, SQL, basic visualization, and statistics. For mid-level, go for advanced SQL, Python, or R, hypothesis testing, and business domain knowledge. For senior level, go for machine learning basics, cloud and big data tools, project leaderships. For leadership, go for team management, strategic planning, communication with executives. So also make sure your resume and LinkedIn profiles are packed with the keywords from jobs you want. Recruiters scan for those. Want to accelerate your career growth? Here's what really works. Build a portfolio with real projects. Upload your code to GitHub and share dashboards publicly. Earn certifications like Google Data Analytics, Microsoft Power BI, or AWS Data Analytics. Network in communities like Kaggle, LinkedIn, or local meetup. Keep learning through blogs, YouTube channels, podcasts, and online courses. Remember, consistency beats intensity. Small daily progress adds up fast. Keep learning and building and applying. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more data career tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions or want me to cover any specific topics next. Good luck with your data journey. See you next time.